lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. It's a lovely afternoon today, and I want to prepare some crispy plantain chips for the family to enjoy as snack. So I was like, let me share this video with my viewers so they can also enjoy how to do it and make some for their family. You know, it's good sometimes you have some snack so that you can be nibbling as well for yeah. So I just need a few ingredients. This is my plantain, yeah, just 4 of them, and then I have my salt to taste and my turmeric powder, yeah, and of course my original virgin coconut oil from Cinnamon Foods. So you know what, let's get started. Yeah, so after washing my plantains, I peel them neatly and gently like I'm doing here. Yeah, so now that I have peeled my plantains neatly, yeah, it's now time to do the slicing or cutting. Yeah, you can use knife to do that or use the mandolin or any grater of your choice. I am using this. Yeah, so I do my slicing. I divide my plantains into 2 and then I slice them gently to get some slim and fine shape. You can also use the knife to do the cutting or the slicing, but make sure they are very thin like I'm doing here. So whichever one you think is best for you, you do that. Yeah, so you see the shape. Now this is the result after cutting and then slicing with the mandolin. Yeah, so what I'll do next is sprinkle some water on it, just some small or little water but here. So I sprinkle the water and then I sprinkle some turmeric powder on it. You know, contemporary plantain chips from Tasty and Fresh, yes. So I sprinkle some turmeric on it just to give it some nice color, yeah, and also to help whip with the crunchiness, yeah. So I stir gently, not with force, either than that is going to break or tear apart. All right, so now I make some salt solution. Yeah, I'm going to add just 2 teaspoons of salt with some water and then stir for it to dissolve like I'm doing here. Yeah, and then this is what I'm going to use for the plantain chips. Yeah, so I wouldn't fry it and then afterwards I will sprinkle salt. No, I do it this way. With this, the salt gets to all corners of the plantain chips. Yeah, so I sprinkle some of the salt solution into my heated oil. Yeah, of course, my virgin coconut oil from Cinnamon Food. So I sprinkle the water. I add like about 2 tablespoons into the hot oil, but please be careful you don't burn yourself. Then afterwards I drop the plantain one after the other, please, very necessary. Yeah, so one after the other, so it wouldn't stick together. When it sticks together, it makes the frying difficult, but if I drop it one after the other, you can see the end result. Yeah, very singled out, and it's, I mean, the crunchiness and the crispiness coming out. Yeah, take the chips from the oil and then place them on my paper towel here, so you can see. Oh, I can't wait to taste. Yeah, so this is the end result. It's crispy It's crunchy and it's so plantainish. You can see here. And I have also garnished it with some coated peanut. Yeah, baby, yeah, the people are waiting for me to enjoy their snack. Yeah, so please, this is it's very simple to do, and it's as nutritious. And you know, plantain is gluten free and has some fiber, so it's best when we take this at home. So what crispy plantain chips is ready. Yeah, so please try this at home and send me a comment, okay? Very necessary. Your comments are very necessary. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my recipe with you. Try it. Kindly share this video to your friends and your family, and also like this video, hit the subscription button, and also click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. I love you guys. Bye bye.